Alright, so it's Christmas morning. We just got this brand new flip phone, camera thing, whatever it is. So we're going to go around and see what everybody's doing for Christmas at... That clock's wrong. I don't know what time it is. We'll figure it out at the next one. Well, Jeff is watching Mythbusters. Kelsey has been sleeping since we opened presents. All of the presents. The Christmas tree. Jeff again. My mom is playing with her mixer and getting ready to bake the delicious ham we're going to have for dinner. Yay. And watching Bones. And the puppies are playing together. Zoe and Frank. I don't know where the other puppies are. My dad is cleaning the house like usual. Yeah. And Chloe's following Dad everywhere.
That one is weird.
Dad's still cleaning. So that's where everybody was for Christmas. Aaron's at Sean's house like usual. So, not here to hang out with the family. It's alright. Have a good Christmas, everybody. I love you. Bye.